Struggling with bad audio? Can't afford a mic yet? Let me show you a free tool that clears background noise and smoothens your voice. Perfect for folktales, faceless content, and beginners. Hi, I'm Coach Mira AI, and if you are new here, welcome to the world of smart AI hacks. Let's dive in.
All you have to do is to search with your Chrome browser and type Podcast Enhance. So when you type Podcast Enhance, this is it, Adobe Express Enhance Audio. Just select it. When you select it, you just select the first one. Alright, when you open it, you'll see something like this. This is how it looks like. Okay. Alright. So the next thing to do is to this is how the interface will look like. Enhance Speech V2. And the good thing about this is that it is totally free. Imagine if you don't have a podcast, don't have one. All right, this is not an excuse for you. With this Adobe Express Podcast, you can be able to enhance your voice and it will look neat and clean. All right, so what you have to do is to select choose files. When you select choose files, you select media packer. It depends on how your own phone is. All right, so I'll have to look for, okay, let me use this one. Then you select any of your files. If you select any of your files, it will be loading like this. So it is enhancing now. Enhancing, it doesn't take much time. So when it's done enhancing, all you have to do is to, all right, it is done enhancing. So let's play it.
Are you a business owner trying to stand out and attract more customers? Then this video is for you.
All right, can you see how smooth the voice sounds? The voice sounds so smooth and natural. All right, unlike the previous one I recorded, it was kind of it was not sounding this way. You can use it to enhance your voice. Probably you are into African folktales or a content creator and you're just a beginner, you don't have a podcast now. This is not an excuse. So kindly go through this process and achieve this result. And so after that, all you have to do is to download it here. You see this download, this is where you select download. Then if you want to enhance another one, still select this upload. Select upload and take the same steps in order to achieve the same result. All right, so this is totally free. You can upload as many audio you want to upload in a day. Okay, the good thing about this Adobe podcast is that you can record your voice as well. Apart from uploading your recorded voice, this is where you check your mic. Then this is where the studio where you record. All right, just select it and you record your voice. Okay, so it is quite simple. Then this is where you check your mic to see if it is actually functioning well. Okay, so that is it. This is where you record, edit, and enhance your browser. Okay.
Don't wait till you can afford a mic. Start with what you have now and use tools like this. Thanks for watching. Follow me for more free tools, faceless tips, and how to get paid doing what you love.